Mother was busy cooking at home. As fast as I could, I climbed a tree, then looked around. What did I see? I saw our house and my dog below. I saw our garden where flowers grow. I felt so fine when I looked up high and saw the birds in the cloudless sky. I heard the buzz of busy bees. I felt the touch of the cold breeze. Then Mother called, "My dear, come home, get down the tree." So I got down and walked home fast. Mother hugged and looked for a scratch. You know when your